Most Facebook accounts don't get hacked all at once. There are warning signs. First, unfamiliar logins, silent access, small changes people miss. In this guide, I'll show you how to detect unauthorized Facebook logins in 2026 using advanced checks most users never do. All right? First, check your login alerts. Facebook sends notifications when a new device or location logs in. Open your notifications and look for messages about logins you don't recognize. Even one ignored alert can mean active, unauthorized access. Next, go to your security settings and open where you're logged in. This shows every device, browser, and location currently connected to your account. Look closely. If you see a device you don't own or a location that doesn't make sense, yeah, that's a red flag. Now, don't just look at locations. Compare device types and browsers. If you normally use a phone and suddenly see a desktop browser you never use, that's suspicious. Same thing with operating systems you don't recognize. All right, this part is subtle. Check your account activity, look for posts, likes, messages, or friend requests you don't remember making. Unauthorized logins often interact quietly, just enough to test access. I mean, even one strange action matters. Next, check your email inbox. Search for recent security emails from Facebook. Login confirmations, password reset attempts, or security warnings you didn't trigger are strong signs someone else tried to access your account. Now, open apps and websites connected to your Facebook account. If a new app appears that you don't recognize, it could mean someone logged in and granted access silently. That's still unauthorized activity. Finally, pay attention to patterns. Repeated login alerts, blocked attempts, or verification requests can mean someone is actively trying to break in. Even if they fail, it tells you your account is being targeted. If you spot even one of these signs, act immediately. Log out of all devices and secure your account. Detecting unauthorized logins early is what prevents full account takeover. Stay alert and stay ahead.